Okay, so people are asking me how big this Swindens vise is. Well, that's a golf ball. And that's a little vise. So surely now you know. Let's try it from a different angle. There you are. Perfect. You can all see how big that is. No? Okay, let's try one more comparison shot. How about that? Does that help? No? Shit. Alright, how about we stick it next to the Colombian 605? There you are. Is that better? Or would you like a more recognisable one, like an Irwin record number 6? There you are. That's a number 6 behind it. Is that better? Right. Stop asking how big it is.